Welcome my dear students in Prep 1. Now we will make a revision for our last week in our school. At first, find rational number in halfway between 2 over 5 and 3 over 7. Here, at first we want to know the smaller number and the greater number. Okay, the smaller fraction from two fractions, the different denominator, then times and cross, then 5 times 7 equal 37, and cross 2 times 7 equal 14, and 3 times 7 times 5 equal 15. Then 14 over 35 and 15 over 35. Who is the greater or the smaller? 14 over 35 less than or smaller than 15 over 35. Then our rule is the smaller number plus half the distance. Smaller number half the distance, okay, or the greater number minus half the distance. Smaller plus half distance, or greater minus half the distance. Okay, distance, it's absolute value of the difference between two numbers. Okay, then 14 over 35 plus half absolute value of 15 over 35 minus 14 over 35, it's equal 1 over 35. Then 14 over 35 plus half times 1 over 35. At first we make the multiplication, then it will be 14 over 35 plus 1 over 70, it's equal 29 over 70. Okay, it's equal 29 over 70, the number in halfway between 2 over 5 and 3 over 7. Okay, find a rational number lying at 1/4 of the way between -1 over 6 and -1 over 3 from the side of the smaller number. Okay, here -1 over 6 and -1 over 3. 1 over 6, 1 over 3 is the different denominator, then times and cross, or times here by 2, and by 2 it's equal -2 over 6 and -1 over 6, same denominators. Okay, at first we get the distance between two numbers. The distance, absolute value of the difference, it's equal at first, at end it's equal 1 over 6. Okay, absolute value of -1 over 6 minus -2 over 6, it's equal absolute value of 1 over 6 equal 1 over 6. Then the required number, the number that's lying at 1/4 of the way from the side of the smaller number. The rule, it will be smaller number plus fourth the distance between two numbers. Smaller number, it's -2 over 6 plus fourth times its distance. The distance, it will be it's 1 over 6. Then we make at first the multiplication, it's equal 1 over 24. Then -2 over 6 plus 1 over 24, in the end equal -7 over 24. This is the number that's lying at 1/4 of the way between this fraction from the side of the smaller number. Okay, the first lesson in geometric concepts. Number 1, line segment. As we see here, AB 4 centimeters. Two end point, it's line segment. When I have two end points, it's line segment, and I can measure the line segment. It's equal here 4 centimeters. When we say AB equal 4 centimeters or BA equal 4 centimeters, AB or BA, or the length of line segment AB equal 4 centimeters. Okay. Number 2, straight line. The straight line is a line segment extended from both directions infinitely. Okay. As we see here, I doesn't have a starting point or end point. Okay, and denoted by a straight line AB or straight line BA. Okay, straight line AB or straight line BA. Again, it's a line. The straight line is a line segment extended from both direction. Okay, I don't have start point or end point, and denoted by AB, straight line AB or straight line BA. It's the straight line. Okay, number C, the ray. The ray is a line segment extended from only one of its terminals without limit. Okay, the ray AB, I have a start point but I don't have end point. AB or BA, AB, BA. Okay, and denoted by AB, ray AB or ray BA. But here the ray BA not equal the ray AB, because of here I start with A, but here I start with B. Okay, it's the ray. Number 4, the angle. The angle, it's a union of two rays with the same starting point, and this point is called vertex of the angle, and the two rays are called the two sides of the angle. As we see here, number E, at the point E, it's the vertex of the angle. Okay, and AB, the ray AB side, and the ray AC side. Here I have angle. Okay, it's union between two rays with the same starting point. Okay, and now we finished our revision today. Thank you for watching.